There's an aesthetic I've always loved that I've held near and dear to my heart all throughout my youth and my young adulthood. Many times I've been spotted wearing various colors of wool sweaters, handmade knit socks, and full grain leather boots, along with thrifted national park t-shirts. One could deem it as just another fast fad, but to me, I think it's more than that. It's a way of life. It's Granola Girl. Yes, today we're taking a very deep dive into the blue-ass waters.
How blue is that? I've never even seen that shade of blue before.
Of the Granola Girl aesthetic. So what is a Granola Girl? Well, a Granola Girl, according to the best source of information, Urban Dictionary, is a person, male or female, who enjoys hiking, canoeing, and other outdoorsy things. They often can be seen drinking out of a camelback, wearing tie-dye, wearing chacos, and eating trail mix. They're the type of people who you see hiking in the mountains of the United States or backpacking across other countries for long periods of time. Okay, easy enough. But where the heavens to Betsy did this aesthetic come from? How did this aesthetic come to be? Granola girls have actually always existed. They've just been given different names. There were the beatniks and, of course, the hippies when the boomer generation was in its youth. It's been understood that as capitalism has begun to show its dark underbelly, the minimalistic, nature-loving counterculture rose above like a flaming phoenix to show us what truly matters. And if you think about it, granola girls are really just like the new term for hippie. Let's bring this one up here too. We're gonna read from everything here, I guess, today. As slang.net puts it, the slang term for granola comes from the rise of the actual granola food in the 1960s that many nature enthusiasts, many hippies, embraced as a trail snack. Due to the popularity of the food among nature lovers and hippies, granola became a slang way of referring to them, including the granola head's name. It also led to the formation of the crunchy term, which became popular in the 2010s, especially among health and parenting influencers. So, with that all said, what does a granola girl wear? How does she dress? Well, that's what we're doing in today's video. I'm gonna style myself as myself, basically, and y'all are gonna watch. So let's get to it. All right, y'all. We got the second look here. The first one. I used this photo for inspiration. This is something I would kind of normally dip my toes into style-wise, but the brown with the black details and like the little pigtail things, I use little clips instead of ponytails because I just couldn't find any. And honestly, like, I might have to keep doing this because I kind of like it. I feel like the whole thing's giving me like very 70s. So I just went with a wool sweater and light kind of baggy jeans. These jeans, I've washed them like 5,000 times, so they aren't as baggy as they used to be. And then we went with black, kind of chunky boot shoes. Wool sweaters are major in granola girl fashion, okay? They're like the staple, like wool sweaters, #1, granola girl. But like we're going for granola girl natural fabrics. That's the #1 thing. Because granola girls, you know what they want? They want the earth to be clean. Repeat after me. Earth clean, earth clean, earth. So yeah, remixing secondhand items, thrifted items, natural fibers. We don't want any of that artificial shit. No. I like it. I might have to wear it again. I decided to add a belt, and I feel like it really ties things together. I feel like when I add like something that matches my shoes and my belt, even though the sweater is something you wouldn't really maybe see typically with this kind of pairing with the colors, I feel like it makes it look like it's supposed to be this way and it looks intentional. But yeah, so this is the second look. Tell me what y'all think. Granola girl outfit #1. Bless me. All right, so we have the second look here. So for this one, I use this inspiration pick. I try to go with the earth colors here. The green with the grizzly bear fighting a man with a pipe in the forest. Perfect. We have the Blundstones. Blundstones are vital to the Granola Girl aesthetic. If you want to be a Granola Girl, you gotta start with Blundstones. They're the best. Full grain leather. They're not that cheap shit. So you're getting what you pay for, really. And then we have the little playful purple long sleeve shirt to kind of give it a little bit of a funky, fun vibe. And I matched it with the sunglasses, which I had to run downstairs and get because they were in my car. And a little sneak peek here. Insect earrings, little green beetle earrings. Anything nature-esque, anything natural-esque, perfect for Granola Girl. So yeah, this is the second outfit. Alright, so I know what y'all are thinking. What the frick is that bag on her? I know I said in the last video, I don't like outfits that are too baggy. People these days, I don't know, they always wear like baggy stuff, like baggy shirts and baggy pants, and it bugs me so much because whenever I do that, I always feel like I look just like a bag. But I feel like with this outfit, there's an exception, okay? This outfit, I imagine, is something that a Granola Girl would wear if she had been, hypothetically, I know if you're like backpacking or whatever, you don't really dress like this, but I'm imagining it if she was camping or whatever, and she wanted to be warm. She just wanted to just throw on a big ass turtleneck, wool by the way, and she just wanted to, you know, just throw it on and not worry about it. It's like a blanket almost, but it's kind of cute in a way. It's like a little blanket outfit. And I really like outfits that pair like charcoal and like a deep brown together. It makes like a really nice richness to it, and I like those two colors together. And the brown Blundstones with a peek of my mom's handmade knit socks that she knit for me. You could, if you wanted to, tuck your sweater in if you feel like it suits it. But you know, hey, it's fashion. There's not really any rules. It's just what you like.
I bid my time waiting the fall.
All right, y'all. Last but not least. So this outfit was featured on my TikTok a few weeks ago. Exact same outfit. I posted it on TikTok, not really thinking it would get anywhere. My first style TikTok that I really made just for fun, because I was already posting YouTube shorts. I was just like, well, I already have this already made, so I might as well just post it on TikTok. It got way more views than I was expecting. Everyone was into the Granola Girl aesthetic, and you're never gonna guess the #1 city of people that were viewing this TikTok. Portland, Oregon. Going there on Monday, by the way. That's where I'm heading to, so guess I'll be with my people. Anyhow, so this outfit is characterized by rust color and corduroy. I'm sorry, I know you thought we were done with the Blundstones, but we're not done with the Blundstones in Granola Girl world, okay? So we have the Blundstones and my mom's, these are a different pair, handmade knit socks. And yeah, of course, it's not a Granola Girl outfit unless we have the beanie. The trendy way to do it now is to roll your beanie up kind of high, so it looks like a little cap. I don't know. And then we did the little space buns. Been sporting this quite a few weeks now. This one's been making the runs. I don't know. I really do think that Granola Girl is the one like aesthetic that's like the major staple of my wardrobe. I always gravitate towards it. I didn't know there was a name for it until recently. Before I was just calling it like hipster, which it used to be, kind of. It used to just be called hipster. But I'm glad it's evolved into something that suits it a little bit better rather than just an umbrella term like hipster. Because hipster could really encapsulate like anything. Like I know that TikTok is so saturated now with these weird, like little subcategories of aesthetics, and people are tired of it, of so many aesthetics out there. But honestly, I'm like happy about it because now I have a name to what I was already thinking, and I couldn't just like give a word to it and have it be my own word and no one would know what I'm talking about. Now I have something where I'd be like, oh, granola girl. And I'm like, what is that? And I can just look it up and like show someone. And I'd be like, oh, okay, I kind of get that idea. I get what where you're going with this. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Fourth outfit.
Me and you.
All right, y'all. So those were all the outfits I had picked out for this video. I have like 20,000 more that I could pick from, really, because I am a granola girl. If you want to see more about the granola girl aesthetic, I could definitely do more videos on that. Make sure you like and subscribe. Yeah, click it, do it. But yeah, so ta-ta.
Me